Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong issue on Netflix. So guys, if you are trying to use Netflix but you are facing this issue and you are unable to use Netflix, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for Netflix. Here it is. And then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Netflix app on your device. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings on your device and then tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software, and after this go back and scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here. Then go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply log out your Netflix account on your device for one time, and after this restart your device, and after this again add your account to your device and log in your account to your Netflix. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Netflix support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.